Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to be talking about how to uninstall your Windows Phone app using PowerShell and also reinstall it using PowerShell, or as well as reinstalling it using Store. So we're going to open up PowerShell, run the commands, check for install or uninstall, and go through that. The commands are available in the description below. Also, this video is sponsored by TrueParkings.com, where you can find or list your parking spot and start earning extra money by renting your parking spots. So let's get started. So first thing we're going to do is uninstall the app. So open up PowerShell, go ahead and click on your start menu and type in PowerShell. Once you type in PowerShell, go ahead and right click on PowerShell and click on Run as Administrator. And go ahead and click yes. So you may be asked to put in your password. Go ahead and put that in. Also, I can show you that your phone app is installed on my machine right there. Your phone app, if you click on it, it actually launches. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead and uninstall the app right there, as you guys can see. So I'm going to, okay, so to uninstall, go ahead and select the command. Basically select it, right click and copy, and go to your PowerShell right here up top on the white tab. Go ahead and right click on edit, and go ahead and click on paste. Now the command will paste, and go ahead and hit enter. Once you hit enter, you will see the deployment operation in progress. So at this point, your phone app is now uninstalled. So if you go and check your laptop, your phone app will not show up. Now you may also have to restart your machine. I'm not going to do that just to save time, but go ahead and restart your machine and it will be removed. Now okay, so to reinstall the app, go ahead and click on your start menu and type in store and go ahead and hit enter. Once the store pops up, go ahead and go to the search tab and type in your phone app, and you're going to click on that and the search result should appear, and your phone app is right here. Now you can go ahead and click install here, and that would install the app. Now if you do not have the store installed, another way to install this app is using PowerShell again. So we're going to prompt up a PowerShell. I'm going to copy this command right here, and once the command is copied, then you can basically paste that in the same exact way, and that should actually go ahead and install the app right here. As you guys can see, it's processing. The process is now complete. Your phone app, you may have to give it a second for it to install, but you may have to also restart your machine. But there you go. As you guys can see, now it just popped up and it's now installed. Now again, if you want to set this phone app up, we already have a video already available on the channel. As you see, it's 90% already on the channel that shows you how to set up your phone app to connect your Android phone to your phone app. So check that out. I will have that video at the end of this video. It will be shown as a thumbnail. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe the video and check out other videos on the channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a fantastic day ahead, and again, I appreciate your support. Thank you. Bye bye.